Till a couple of decades back, outsourcing was only considered as a tactic for reducing costs of back-end operations such as payroll and IT. In the 60s and 70s, outsourcing was only a form of time sharing between teams in multiple organizations working on different components of the same project. And in the 80s, either parts of or entire IT operations were outsourced to a few IT service providers like IBM and others. Before the 90s, outsourcing was not even thought to be a breakthrough management idea. But the scene started to change in the 90s as the firms began outsourcing more strategically significant functions such as manufacturing and logistics, even product design and other innovative activities. All of a sudden, outsourcing had turned into a critical management tool that had the power to completely change the future of a business. But to get the most out of outsourcing, companies need to focus on longer time horizons, improved returns on investment, that's ROI, or greater shareholder returns. This in turn reflects on how outsourcing must address external results like brand repositioning in the marketplace or changing value proposition to customers. The real advantage with outsourcing, in other words, is to use it as a tool to create strategic value, transform businesses, and even fundamentally change industry dynamics. As outsourcing continues to move into more strategic areas of business and beyond mere back-end operations, more and more companies are becoming aware that their best service providers are not just saving them on costs, but more importantly, offering them services of greater quality and value.